So if you take a look at the handout I gave you, what this is this is the top of an object and this is the side of it. So you're actually looking at the same object from two different views, looking down on top and looking at it from the side. So it's kind of like a plate with some bolts on it. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is use the line tool and draw the top square here. So 3 inches down, 4 inches over. So 3 and enter, 4 and enter, and go back up 3 and enter, and we can click where we started and hit escape to get out of it. Now, notice that there's circles here, and the circle is 0.75 down, 0.75 over. So what tool do I want to use? Offset. Good. Offset. Specify your distance, 0.75 and enter. Oop, I clicked on that. Have to escape. Try it again. Offset. 0.75 and enter. Click on this line and go over. Click on this line and go down. Now look. Chances this one lines up with that one. So that's going to be 0.75 down, and guess how far over it's probably going to be? 0.75. So let's do it on all 4 sides. Okay, so right there, my intersections are the center of my 4 circles. Okay, we have this symbol, the circle with the line through it. Well, we said the other day that stands for diameter, right? If you have a circle with a line through it, it stands for diameter. And we need to know that because we go up the circle, center diameter. Specify the center point right there, click. Specify the diameter, which is also 0.75. That's convenient. And enter. Repeat that 3 more times. Circle, center diameter, click on the center point. Now look, we don't have to type in 0.75 because on the screen it remembers the last thing we entered was 0.75, so I can just hit enter. Circle, center diameter, click on my center point, hit enter for 0.75. Do that again. Now, I don't need these lines. I'm going to select them and hit the delete key to delete them out. Now this is where the new tool goes. We have these little hexagons, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagons. Using the Polygon tool. And I even took a little screenshot of where to get that. So you go up here to this little rectangle tool, hit the little drop down Polygon tool, there it is. It says enter the number of sides. Well, we just said there's 6, so 6 and enter. Specify the center of it. See, the center of the polygon is going to be right there. Click. Now we have 2 options, inscribe and circumscribe. Inscribe puts the shape inside the circle. Circumscribe puts the shape on the outside of the circle. Well, if you look at the handout, is the shape on the inside or outside of the circle? Yeah, obviously it's on the outside, so circumscribe. And then we're going to snap it to one of these diamonds. If we go this way, that's wrong because the point's up top. Notice the flat part should be up top. The flat part should be up top. Now, that little diamond was one of my object snaps. Right click on object snaps and quadrant. We need to make sure that all these are checked on. Remember? All of them except for the last 3 should be on. And quadrant is the one that snaps it to these 4 sides. Very, very top, very, very right, very, very bottom, very, very left. That is, so go to the polygon. Now notice, once I have the polygon tool selected, it's on top, so I can just click on it there. And there are a number of sides. It remembers 6, so I hit enter. Center, right there. Circumscribe, snap it up. There, enter, there, there. Now look, I can click there with my left hand, hit enter, click on the center point, hit enter, click up there. That's easy. Now we're going to go down and draw this part. So I'm going to go with the line tool. I'm going to come down 1 inch, 1 and enter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down 0.5 and then 0.75. So watch. This is a little tricky. I'm going to come down 0.5 and enter, and come down, move my mouse more, 0.75 and enter, and I'm going to go the whole way over, which we know it matches with the top. Well, if the top is over 4, and this is over 4, I'm going to actually hit escape, select and delete out that line. Now, I'm going to offset this bottom line up 0.75, so O for offset, or go to your offset tool, 0.75 and enter, and go up. And now I'm going to offset up 0.5, so offset 0.5 and enter, can draw a line here on the other side. Kind of made that harder than I need to. Now, this is new. We're going to grab the line, and these actually drop down from the top down. Let me show you. If I turn on this little key thing, see how from this corner you drop it straight down, straight down, straight down, and so on? Watch. Line tool. Make sure you click on the correct thing until I hit that. With my left hand, I'm going to hit enter to finish it. And if I hit enter, it's going to repeat my last command. So enter to repeat the line command. Click and click, enter, enter, click, click, enter, enter, and do that 4 on each side, so a total of 8. Okay, and you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, what's the last thing I need to do here? Trim. Go up to trim, hit enter to select all, and then I usually start at the top. So if I trim like this, it won't let me trim these. See how it gets that no symbol? But I'm going to hit escape and undo. If I trim, hit enter, and start at the top and work my way down, I can trim the whole thing. I can trim off that, there, trim off that, delete that. Now, I need to pull over my title block from yesterday. So I got to go to open. Hopefully you saved it. I told you to. Save your title block from yesterday. And turn off these little dimensions there. And I'll show you how to do that in the future without turning stuff on and off. It's kind of neat. Alright, so we select it all. One big window, get it all. Right click, clipboard, copy, or Control C. I just like to hit Control C. Go over, Control V, and snap it on there. You can see I'm kind of overlapping, so I might need to do that and then move these guys over with my move tool. Try to get it like center-ish. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now, to finish the title block, click on the text and double click right on the white text and you can change it. So this should say Lab 2 Sheet what? 1. Because we're Lab 2 now. Then we're going to print. Print, TechEd laser, window, do your little window thing that you do, center the plot, uncheck fit to paper, make it 1:1, apply a layout, preview it to see if it looks right. Yep, that looks right. Print it.